Gary. He's trying to eat my microphone. We've got Roccabox. I've already opened this. It came last week sometime. I haven't really took anything out of it, but yeah, I haven't been filming or doing anything really for a month, so I love you. Yeah, I have already opened it, but I thought I would show you anyway. I got Roccabox on a really good deal for Black Friday weekend, I think. Can't remember how much it is. It's not PR, this is paid for by me. They don't give a shit who I am or anything, so I don't have a discount code. But if I can find a good deal, I'll post that down below. But yeah, Roccabox monthly subscription box, beauty subscription box, and let's have a look. So that's what in it. You can see I literally haven't even unpacked it. I just opened the box, looked at it, and then shut it again. So I think I can't have been that impressed. But we'll have a look. So it says clean up your act. I can't be bothered to read all of this because it's like an essay. There's another cat. What does it say? Supporting the clean beauty scene is something we feel strongly about. Blah 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 blah. Be careful about the imprint that everything has on the planet. This box is worth over £81. Who's texting me? Who is it? Kay Parnell, of course it's you. She's my best friend. Always her. So let's have a look. We've got a drink which looks gross. We've got a coconut water drink. I hate coconut water. I'm going to put this in the food bank because no one in my house likes coconut water and it will just get wasted. But I know lots of people do like it, so it's a nice little extra thing to have. But that is just like a little extra. She texted me again. Oskia London Renaissance Cleansing Gel. Oskia is a homegrown British brand that's pioneering the clean beauty movement with its production of bio-identical molecules that are both environmentally and socially more sustainable. It melts away grime, makeup and SPF, deeply cleanses pores and lifts away dead skin cells. Gross. This is Deluxe Mini. It says RRP £16. I'm not sure if this is worth £16 or if the full size is worth £16. But we shall see. I'll put it on the screen if I can find that out, but yeah. Let's have a little look. Little tubey tube. Illuminating Vitamin Melting Cleanser. So I'll definitely give that a go. I've nearly run out of my Fenty at the moment, which makes me sad. Grum. What is that? Moisturizer. This looks like the packaging of this just looks really cheap and plasticky because it is. But it looks like Sudocreme, am I wrong? Does that not look like Sudocreme branding, like with the white and the simple? I don't know, I'm just not. Sometimes we don't want to tackle dehydrated skin with a product that's going to drench it and not sink in. Stepping forward is this lovely lightweight moisturiser, brilliant at combating dry skin but won't leave your oily, greasy or sensitive skin overwhelmed. 96% natural, packed with skin-loving chamomile, sage and green tea, excellent skin soothers and hydrators, and free from nasties such as artificial colours, synthetic fragrances, parabens, sulfates, SLS, EDTA and petrochemicals. Few. Full size, £8. I'll give it a go. It just doesn't look very nice. Like, I don't know. I'm probably just being an asshole and judging that before I've even used it, but okay. This one literally is this Capri Shield Serum with vitamin B3 niacinamide. This is a completely blank box. There is nothing on it other than that. It says Capri Shield Serum. In the morning, apply 1 to 2 drops to your entire face before heavier creams. At least it tells you when to put it on, because I know it can be a bit overwhelming with skincare. I was like, oh my god, when do I put my serum on? When do I put this on? So that's good. Discovering this brand was pretty exciting stuff. Authentic, sustainable. Is high up on our priority list when seeking out new brands. They're 100% plantable packaging. Yes, that's right, you can plant Capri's standard packaging. It will bloom into a flower, although don't try it with your Roccabox version. These are bespoke boxes and they're not made with the same material. Oh. Well, then why tell us? Because now I want to plant it. That's weird. Niacinamide helps your skin grow. It's ceramide barrier and retains moisture and protects against UV damage. Gary is currently doing the old age if I fits I sits on a cat. Bandit's going to come and help as well. Amazing. Yeah, I'll give it a go. I just wish it was in the proper packaging. That would have been really nice. The cats are all in the box. I can't get to anything. I'm just trying to move it out from Gary's asshole. Ameliorate Smooth Skin Science Transforming Body Lotion. And Fox is awake. I'll be back in a minute.
I want movie.
You want to be on the movie? Look, there's Fossy on the movie. Sorry. Who did a big boy sleep? Foxy did. Who likes naps? What did you just see out the window? What did we see? Was it a boom bomb? He cut his face. Did you bonk it? You okay? On table. He just woke up. So, Ameliorite. Apply twice daily for 4 weeks. Thereafter, apply daily to maintain skin condition. Oh, you want a smoothie? You can have a smoothie in a minute. We're nearly done. And then the last thing we've got, excuse me, Gary. Gary's biting my hand. Is a Paradox. We Are Paradox Repair Game Changer Hair Mask. Kelp seaweed for repair and rejuvenation. I love a hair mask. So that's probably the thing I'm most excited about. It says this hair care line has been created with full ingredient transparency, organic only where possible, no toxins, and a commitment to all natural ingredients, aiming to be as close to 100% natural as possible, 96% natural. This particular high performance leave-in treatment will transform dull, dry and damaged locks, leaving it glossy, replenished and full of life. So that sounds nice. £15.
What?
What? What?
What?
What?
What?
What, Foxy? He's my big boy. Show everybody how big you are. Say, look how big I am. Look how big he is. He's so big. A giant boy.
My one.
You want a smoothie? Should we go get one out of the fridge? Yeah. Okay, so that was Roccabox. Interrupted by cats and Mr. Fox. But that is life. And the sun is just not my friend today. Is the sun warm?
No.
Bit bright. Sunglasses? Oh, too bright, Foxy man. There he is. Too bright, Foxy man. There he is. You want to dance? Me and Foxy like having dance parties in the kitchen, don't we? I'm gonna call 911. Me up. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
My one pie.
You want a pie? I see. Okay, well I need to go and find this boy a pie from somewhere. That was Roccabox. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Say love you, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good boy.